The noise problem is because the brake pump, this brake pump is touch the dish. So first we need to adjust these two screws, make it loose, and also this screw make it loose. Then this pump can move like this. Then we can adjust the brake pump, and make the two sides not touch the dish. Here, this side with space, and also this side with also with space, not touch the dish. If both sides not touch the dish, then we can make the screw tight. So the most important problem is you need to ensure the dish not touch the pump.